Yeah, SVD kid, what up? Yeah! Yeah! Where's the fourth guy? Yeah!
Not too many tiny.
He just pissed on two people on the No, another one! Oh, another one! Your fucking neck was fucking breaking while you were... I'm fully flashed! Oh my god! Fully flashed! Destroyed him. Oh, that guy's one, yeah.
Are you fucking serious?
Oh my god, get crossed over with the marksman out of a barn. All three in there, all three in there! Oh my god! I don't understand it, yeah. They've been absolute.
The fuck did I just... I'm boxing Betty. Why did I even question that?
Oh, here it is!